I came to this practice for the reason that my previous dental practice was not fulfilling my requirements in the way I would hope they were going to do. I lost confidence in them because although I was still paying for the privilege, I was rushed in, treatment was done very quickly and then rushed out again. So I didn't think that was right. And as you get older, your teeth do deteriorate quite a lot, and therefore it's important that the attention to detail is evident. And I wasn't getting that at all. So I decided, and I with my wife, that we should move practices and find another one that had more sympathy for the teeth in our teeth, based on our age basically. And I actually got this practice from my doctor. He recommended that we should come here, and that was about 12 years ago or so. And when the practice that was here when we started was very good, but when Dr. Shah took over, the whole practice changed completely. And because we were told that we'd been in very good hands when the change took place, and it was brilliant, absolutely wonderful. I've been to dentists all my life, but I think this is probably the best dental practice I have actually been to. I am confident with what happens here. You're never rushed. The staff are very friendly. The dentists in the practice are highly professional. They're up to date with techniques, and they explain things in a way that puts you at ease immediately. Some people are very nervous about dentists. I'm never nervous about a dentist. I find them doing me a really good job, and I'm happy with that. The proof of the pudding is in the eating, because I've had very little problem. I have had very few problems with my teeth since I've been coming here, because they've been looked after properly. I've just had a major refit on one side of my mouth, which has gone very, very well, and it was needed, unfortunately. And this work is going to look after me. Well, this is going to look after this side of my mouth for quite a long time. So I'm really pleased about that. So I've got a few more years to come with that. So the reasons why I came here originally was because I wanted an improved treatment service. I was paying. I'm a Denplan patient. I don't mind paying if you get the treatment and the service you're looking for, and you definitely get it here. I think the thing is that the practice has a good reputation. I've met people in the waiting room that have come quite long distances to have their teeth done here. Now that speaks volumes of the quality of service which is being provided, not only by the dentist themselves, but by all ancillary staff that go with the dentist as well. I have since I've been here, people have actually approached me and said, "Who's your dentist?" And I tell them who the dentist is. "Well, I've never heard of them." I said, "Well, they're extremely good. Go down and see them." And I've recommended 2 families to come down here, and I'm very pleased to say that both of them are on your books.
Excellent.
And they're actually very pleased with the treatment you're getting. There's always some slight fear of trepidation that you've recommended something to somebody and they're not quite so happy with it as you might be. But that isn't the case. They've been exceptionally pleased with what we've done, with what I've done. And in fact, one of them moved to Cambridge recently, but she still travels back to have her teeth done here.
Wow.
That's brilliant, in fact. So. Does that?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Is
I
that
got the
okay?
last bit out. Yeah.
Yeah, but